Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. Alright, today I'm going to share with you all how I do my stew smoke herring. Alright, we're going to start by caramelizing some onions first with some oil, some garlic, pimento. Then we're going to add the smoke herring and all our other ingredients. So we're going to start with the oil, some onion, some garlic, some pimento, thyme. We're going to give it a little stir. And we're going to add our smoked herring. Tomatoes. Sweet peppers. Celery, chive, Chadon beni, and mustard. Mustard is not typically used in making stew smoke herring, but I like to add a little mustard. Some black pepper and a little salt. Now the salt in the smoke herring, you know, according to how much salt is left back in the smoke herring, that's how much salt you're gonna add at the end. So just be careful with when you add in salt. Make sure the smoke herring is not too salty from before. We give it a little stir. We add a little water. We cover and then we allow the tomatoes, the peppers and all the other ingredients to cook. Come down a little bit for about 5 minutes and then we serve. Right, now we allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. You uncover. Smoke herring typically doesn't take too long to prepare because the smoke herring itself is already cured and cooked really. So you just want to get the vegetables and the onions, the sweet peppers cooked before we switch off and we serve. But this here is about finished and ready.